Subscribe for some awesome videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crafts with Roar. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to do double Dutch braids with my doll Cassidy. So Cassidy is the doll with the long wavy hair compared to all my other dolls. So you'll need a spray bottle and a wig wire brush as always, and hair ties. So first, I'm gonna start by doing the usual stuff, spraying my doll's hair with water, or not making it too wet, submerged, soaked in water, just damp, and brushing it out so all the tangles are gone. So I'm gonna be brushing from the bottom and then working my way up. That way I don't tear it, rip any plot, and it will avoid split ends. So I'm just speeding this part up because it's not really as important as actual tutorial. Okay, I just finished brushing it out, and I'm going to split my doll's hair into two pieces because I'm doing a double Dutch braid. But if you're doing a single Dutch braid, then you don't have to, of course. Now I'm going to be taking a piece of hair from the front, near the part line, just about that much hair, like I did for the French braid, and I'm going to split it into three pieces, just like you would for a normal braid. Now I'm going to do one normal braid. However, instead of going over the middle piece, you're going to go under the middle piece. And if you don't know how to braid, I'm going to make a back to basic braiding video for those of you who don't know how to braid. So see how I'm going under and not over? That's the important part about a Dutch braid. And that's the part that makes it different from a French braid. Okay, now I did my stitch, and now I'm adding some hair into the left side section and braiding the new chunk of hair in. And I'm going to do this with the right side as well. So take some new hair from the outside and then add it with my right side piece and then braid it in. I'm so sorry that my hand's blocking the way. However, maybe if I progress down, you'll see it. And then you're just going to keep repeating the steps until you have no hair left. So once you're done and all the hair is in the braid, what you're going to do at the end to finish it off, you can either tie it in a pony to be a Dutch braid pony, or you can just do a normal braid at the end once you have all the hair in the braid. Or you can even do a bun at the end. But I'm doing a braid because it's a Dutch braid tutorial. Yeah. So just a normal braid, but you're going under instead of over. Pretty sure you heard that about like a million times by now. So see, I'm just doing a normal braid. And now I'm just going to tie it off with an elastic. And then, so that's just one side of the braid. You're just going to do the exact same thing for the other side. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side off camera. Yeah. Okay, so I just finished the other side. So here's both of the braids. So the main difference between a French braid and a Dutch braid. So see how like it's kind of like a bump, not the braid like comes on the outside kind of. Like look in the French braid how it looks like it's going in, but this one you can actually like, how do I explain it? It's like 3D. So this is Nilani. She's modeling our French braids. Yeah, so notice how it's going in. And then the Dutch braid, you can like, wait, I think you can see the difference. And people confuse Dutch braids and French braids a lot. Even I confused them before. But now I know, yeah. So anyway, that's the end of this video. If you want more hair tutorials like this, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, bye!